D. Tamil Nadu. Area 1,30,058 square kilometers. Location Tamil Nadu is situated on the southeastern side of the Indian peninsula. It is bounded on the east by the Bay of Bengal, in the south by the Indian Ocean, in the west by the states of Kerala and Karnataka, and in the north by Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is divided into 32 districts.
History Tamil Nadu was variously ruled by the Cheras, Cholas, and Pandyas prior to the Christian era. Karikalan Chola, the greatest of Cholas, built a barrage across the Kaveri River.
The region of the great temple builders, the Pallavas, began sometime during the second quarter of the 4th century AD. Dravidian architecture attained great heights during the Pallava period. The end of the 11th century once again saw the alternative rule of the Chalukyas, Cholas, and Pandyas. The Muslim invasion followed the decline of the Cholas and led to the establishment of the Bahmani Empire. Later, the Vijayanagara Empire became the major power until 1564, when it came to an end with a defeat at the hands of the Deccan Sultans in the Battle of Tallikota. The kingdom was given to the Nayaks to rule. Tamil Nadu under the Nayaks was peaceful and prosperous. The end of the century saw the East India Company establish itself in the south. Petty quarrels among the local rulers helped the British gain administrative control of the territories until the revolt of 1857, after which they were governed by the British Crown. When India became free, the whole Madras province, comprising Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh and part of Kerala, continued as the state of Madras. But the agitation for a separate Andhra state compelled the government to bifurcate the state into two separate states. Andhra Pradesh to include the Telugu speaking areas and Madras, the Tamil speaking areas. The old capital Madras city was retained by the new Madras state. Under the States Reorganization Act 1956, Madras lost the Malabar district and the Kasaragod taluk of S. Kannada district to the newly formed state, Kerala, while Madras gained four taluks of the Trivandrum district and Shenkotta taluk of the Quillan district from Kerala. The four taluks thus gained were continued into a new district of Madras as the Kanyakumari district. In April 1960, 405 square miles of Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh was transferred to Madras in exchange for 326 square miles from Chengalpattu and Salem districts. On January 14, 1969, Madras state changed its name to Tamil Nadu. The capital city Madras was renamed Chennai in 1996. Capital Chennai. Language Tamil. Landforms. Eastern part is fertile, coastal plain, and western part is hilly. Climate warm throughout the year. Rivers Kaveri, Ponnayar, Palar, Viper. Occupations farming, fishing, mining, industries.
Places of interest: Chennai, Ooty, Madurai's Meenakshi Temple, Kanchipuram, Mahabalipuram, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Tamil Nadu is situated on the southeastern side of the Indian peninsula. It is divided into 32 districts. 2. On January 14, 1969, Madras state changed its name to Tamil Nadu. The capital city Madras was renamed Chennai in 1996. 3. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and Tamil is the language of the state. 4. Climate is warm throughout the year. 5. Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance of Tamil Nadu.